how to make your Facebook profile private. So what you can do is launch your Facebook app and then log in into your account and tap on the menu icon. Here, tap on the settings. After that, you can see the privacy checkup option under tools and resources. Just tap on it and you can see the topics that you want to start with. I'm going to start with who can see what you share. Tap on it and tap on continue. After this, you can see all of your information here. You can see the drop down option. So I'm gonna here's an email address that you may want to keep private. If you want to keep it private, just tap on only me and you're done. And there's option of your birth date as well. Just tap on the drop down option and you can see if you want your birthday information to be private, I can type on only me and then you're done. In your year as well, just tap on only me and it's changed into only me. Only you will be able to see your birth date. And here's the option of friends and following. If you want people to know about your friends list, then you can just tap on here and tap on public friends, friends accept, and specific friends. Since we're gonna make it private, so let's tap on only me and you're done again. And here is the list of the people, pages and lists you follow. Tap on private here again and your pages and the list you follow will not be available to the people who will go through your account. Tap on next and here you can see the option who can see your posts and stories. Here is the default audience. If you post something, your post will be available to public and anyone can see your post, or you may choose it to friends or friends accept some of the friends. Or for now, I'm gonna change it to friends only because I only want my friends to know what I post in the future, or I'm gonna post what I'm gonna be posting. Tap on friends, and then here is the option of stories, who can see your stories. And again, I want to change this option to only my friends because I only want my friends to know what kind of stories I post. And go back. After that, your stories audience has been changed into friends only, and you can also limit your past post by tapping on the limit option. I'm not going to do that and tap on next. Here you can see when you block someone, they will no longer see what you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. If you don't want some of the people to see what you are doing in your Facebook profile, then you can just add them on your block list and then tap on next and then you're done. And in that way, you can keep your Facebook profile private and share accordingly what you want people to see on your account. So in this way, you can make your Facebook profile private, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.